Just like the RNA polymerase attaches to the promoter, I am attaching to the computer and turning it on.
Now we know your password.
Then the RNA polymerase begins to unwind the DNA, which is like me searching for the directions.
Like the RNA polymerase moving along the template strands, I'll move along the files. And then like the RNA polymerase copying down the complementary strand, I will copy down the directions. So step 1. And then the DNA will rewind itself, so I will exit out of the file, which will cause the RNA to fall, which causes the paper to fall. And then I will open the other document and then write down that direction. And then the DNA will rewind, so that file will close, and then the RNA will fall off.
So the RNA polymerase reaches the terminator, and then falls off. And then the DNA completely rewinds, which is like the computer turning down. And then the RNA falls off, which is like the paper falling off.
So this is initiation for translation. So the tRNA is my hand in the bottle, and I'm going to bring it to the mRNA and the small ribosome subunit, which is the directions. So step 1 is red. So I'm going to put the red on the t-shirt. And then the large ribosome subunit is the rubber band going onto the t-shirt.
Go.
The bottle is the second tRNA. So we bring it over to the instructions, and there's an anticodon on the bottom of the tRNA that has to join and match the codon. And because they match, we know that orange is the second amino acid. So the tRNA brings amino acid over to the shirt and puts it on there. And then the rubber band, the large ribosome subunit, joins the two amino acids together. So it joins red and orange. And then because the amino acids are now joined, the tRNA falls off.
So the ribosome, which is this napkin, is once it reaches the stop codon, it causes a protein called the release factor, which is my hand, to bind to the complex, which is the rubber band. It then breaks down the complex, which is like me taking off the rubber bands, which then create a polypeptide, which is the shirt. Polypeptides joins the other to form proteins. Polypeptides assemble. And done. Woo!
Ow!
So just like the RNA polymerase attaches to the promoter. Restart.